See? People, may just be as real as possible. Those two girls are not cute. And me a foot hype me at the brand. And me don't know you, but you come and road with me. So if something happen and you go missing, a foot hype you did go road with. Not because a boxer bring you around, and me you go road with. Are you crazy, dog? That's why me I say, Jackie, get help. Get help, rude boy. Get help. Don't use no ego. No badness no in it. None of that no in it. Just accept the fact that you fucked all the way up. And the only way to fix it is to get counseling done. You see me I say? Yo, nobody not ease me and tell me what to talk about. Just relax. You not see what I go on. You not see. You not see say it's like a breeze, something in the wind, something in the breeze. You not see say one negative surge just a gust across the whole world. You not ease me for no ease me, Virgin. When me talk, when me a talk, no man. When me say what me a say, no man. Zine, when me say what me a say, dog. This is not a joke thing, dog. When other issues come up, we talk about it, dog. We have to talk about this, dog. We have to talk about this. And Jackie, there is no escape speaking about this. You have to face your fear. Brother, we don't want you to go back to prison, brother. Although it's a little fuck up youth, we don't want you to go back to prison, my youth. When a big man live, you have to curtail how you deal with people. And the thing where I know what causes you to deal with people like that. Because you are making so much money. You're a Rasta man, my youth. Your money not supposed to make you act different. Don't forget the philosophies of Rastafari. The hunger must be fed. The naked must be clothed, you know. The homeless must be sheltered. You see me? The woman and children must be protected and cared for. I want to remember that. Oh, Rastafi mean. Oh, Rastafi cruel. Especially to women and children. Uno na check, uno na pray. Don't forget the guidelines of Rastafari, dog. The women and children must be protected and cared for. Now, if you listen carefully, the girl say, why upon earth she would want to give Jackie the pum pum? That the girl say, no? You say, why would want big Jackie or why would want to give him the pum pum? If him they just wait till them go out, have a little fun, get drunk and come in back. Jackie, you know what bun me about that whole video there? The girl them even look good. The girl them even look good. Big man thing. The girl them even look good. A two ugly white girl. One of them big and long and shape bad. Like what the fuck? What? Brother, you want to mash up your life and your career for two ugly girl? Jackie, you have girl dead over you all over. What wrong with you, no man? That's why you can't talk to me. Me girl them hot. Them the two girl they could have get me in so much problem. Them two ugly girl them shape like bus lick them. Anyway, sorry about that. We get carried away. Sorry. The fact of the matter is, Jackie, get help. DJ Youngcho is stupid. Youngcho say, what the mother's cunt I'm hearing. So, one of the girls DM me. Zine? The girl when what's she name? The little short one we have, the fat ass. Not the big tall white one, the next one. What's she name again? I don't remember she name. But she DM me, me have a conversation about her when I look, me say she DM me. Zine? And when she DM me. She said everybody had tell her to link me. So she has said, I say, alright, well, me make her join the live. She has said she's shy. She don't want to join live. So me I say shy. What do you mean shy? Or if you're shy when I say if you want a story to be heard, then you have to make sure tell a story. Then people, may just be as real as possible. Those two girls are not cute. Well, I don't know who I want to call cute. But in my eyes, them average and regular girl them there. You understand me? I say quickie small she name, yeah. In my eyes, a regular. Yeah, Nikki, she show me the screenshot. Where you tell her to link me. See? In my eyes, them girl are average girl, regular girl. Them they know where we classified as hot girl. You understand what I say? So, what me I say is now, how you end up in that predicament there? People, I've been in that situation where woman come check me and then she don't want to give me a front and me decide say, if you're not giving me a front, me pissed off right now, I don't want to see you, but I will never leave you stranded. I will never kick you out in an hours and a night. You come from foreign, you're there at Jamaica, you don't know nobody. Oh, me if you do that. Oh, I could never do that, dog. Me can't think about that. Oh, me, dog, me we carry you at the airport. Me will drop you anywhere you want to go. But me I make sure me drop you safe and sound. What you mean the man spending money and want it back? And him send for them. If him did say, yo, I want him to come, fly in and fuck me. The girl would better come. Not junglist. Me not innocent. What you talk about? It's not about innocent or being guilty. I said I've been in situations where girls come and don't give me any vagina. And me carry them at them yard. Me drop them off safely. Not damage them, not beat them because them not give me a front. Me will cuss and go on bodies and say, girl, I waste my time and rare. Come me drop a yard. And me I drop a yard. He was saying not even him cousin them can't drop them off. That means you hold them hostage. That's an abduction, brother. You understand what I say? Understand what I say? Someone just a reason to create confusion. And logics me a talk about. Make the girl them go on with them a go bridging. The girl them are crying and pack up them bag and yeah, cause when you get back your money now, where the girl them get your money for give? But now you buy tickets, sir? Now you buy the ticket them? So where the girl them will get the money from for give right now? When you run them out, them never come and plan say you gotta throw them out. And you go on back money. You never tell them say you lend them money for buy ticket. You never tell them that. And the girl clearly say, if Jackie did just wait, make them go party and all our vibes, and then they would have given the front willingly. Willingly, dog. Willingly. So why would you treat them like slave? Yo, that come like you treat them like dog, you know, brother. It don't look good. I mean, I care who want to pick up fear about money. This is not about blood clot money. It's not about money, Reggie. All if you're flying the girl and she don't want to get in front of your money burn up and you wrong for fly her in, brother. All you do, carry her back safely, make she go where she go, and no call her back, block her off of your phone. You will make back that money there. I'll show you how much of a mange Jackie is and how mean him is. On the video, Jackie are gonna be like, yo, you have my AC on from morning and the door open. You think you could have gone to a hotel and have people AC around all day? Jackie, are you fucking dumb? Which hotel you can go and then tell you like I have AC? Where? Which hotel? Which hotel you can go and then tell you, man, you know how much we have to go pay for my light bill now? Dog, them are some petty shit, dog. That has some petty shit, you're mange, brother. And you're rich. That will show you how mean you is. People feel look into them things as a Rasta man. What kind of mean mangy state, I can have mean, mangy, dirty style that. Ding dang, go say some dirty style you have up. So the girl if you lock up the AC and burn up in her house because they don't want to pay a light bill. You know, sister, something wrong with you, man. And these things when me I say to you, Jackie, because I know you're going to watch out for somebody else's phone. Because I know artists are full of ego. These are just to show you that you have problems. You might not realize that you have problems. And people around you might not tell you that you have problems. You're a mange. Your meanness. Sometimes I wonder why them money will get rich so mean and wicked. Because three artists we know, when it comes to meanness, Jackie and two other were at the meanest thing. Zine, what want to do? Afraid for broke back? Or what make you do so mean? What make you do so mean? Me not get it. You go worry with the girl them about AC. The man say, only day from morning have me AC on. So Rasta, I don't understand. The girl them fi burn up. The girl them fi stay in the room and burn up. The man go as far as say, you think you can go to hotel and have people AC run all day? I know hotel you go, Jackie. A fuck shop. And most of them look a green place there. Where you pay for your hour and the man say, yo, turn off the AC your hour up in there. I can't real hotel you talk about. I can't real hotel you talk. Because me travel the world just like you. I mean, I know which part. People can come knock your door. Excuse me, Mr. Hype, can you please turn off your AC? Where? Which part? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Who will knock your door? All the people in here say we go hotel all the while. That ever, Sample King, that ever happened to you at hotel? When they knock you up and say, Mr. King, sir, you've been having on the AC too long. It mean understand. That ever show you say this man here, something wrong with him. I mean, have Jack here. Big man thing, me vex with you from when you say all sound man figure suck them mother my you. I'll know you not apologize for that in the dark. You not apologize for that I'll know we no brother. Remember from this say your career take a deep, you know. Remember say you have classic songs we still play. But then man them now play a new song them you don't realize. You don't realize. Brother, you have to look in yourself and feel, alright. Me I go say this. I mean not say this out of aggression. I mean not say this out of anger. I mean not say this to be nickel your career and nothing at all. Me I say this because this is how me honestly feel. And it's the right thing to do. You need to start go counseling to act better and observe when you have the foolishness. Zine? And then you need to cut off your locks. Zine? Listening now. This is not a disrespect, this is just the truth. You need to cut off your locks, replenish internally, spiritually, emotionally, replenish, cleanse yourself, go back and go find the root of Rasta where you did start with, follow back the format of Rastafari, come off of your high temple where you're there, come back to reality, and grow back your locks. Your spirit and the order now go together. The things them way you do and the way Rasta things supposed to go, you now uphold the order, you defile, brother.